Did you realize that simply clicking on emojis can earn you money? I'm sure you're all familiar with emojis and how they seem. In today's video, you can make up to $200 every day by doing so. To receive payments immediately to your account, all you have to do is click on emojis. Imagine earning up to $5 by clicking on one emoji. The more emojis you have, the more money you can earn. This is completely free and you can do it with either a smartphone or a computer. If you have either, simply follow along with me as I show you how to do it in less than a minute. I'll show you how to establish and activate an account, as well as lead you through a few real-life scenarios so you can learn how to do it properly. I'll also give you some pointers on how to do it well and earn an extra $500. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. The first thing I'd like to do is go to this amazing website where you can earn money by clicking on emojis. On their homepage, they have over 3 million vector icons, including a large number of emojis, all of which are free to download. You can see all of the icons as well as all of the pictures and images that we can download for free. If I scroll down this page, you'll see how we can use them to make a lot of money online, and you can earn money in two ways by simply clicking on the emojis right now. And I'll demonstrate the first technique, and then at the end of the video, I'll demonstrate the second technique. For the first approach, go to the top of the website and click on Become a Contributor. You'll then be directed to a flat icon page where you can become a contributor by simply uploading and distributing emojis and being paid for it. The three simple steps are as follows. The first step is to create a free account, which I'll explain how to do in a moment. The second step is to share and upload your favorite icon packs, which should include emojis. The third step is basically our favorite because it allows us to get paid and earn money right away. Now, to get started, click this button and you'll be directed to this page where you can register for a free account. People from all over the world can transact on this website. So on this page, simply type your username, email address, and password, then click the register button. Next, go to this page which says we're almost done and read all of the terms and conditions before clicking the green button to accept them. Once you've completed step number 1, you could move on to the second step where you create your profile and earn money. The first step is to upload your profile pictures, which you can do by clicking the browse button right here and then scrolling down to provide additional information about yourself. You can also add a public username that you want people to see. Select English as the language and attach any social media accounts you have. If you don't have any other social media accounts, leave it blank and move on to the next step. We're almost ready to start uploading different images in order to get a significant number of clicks and revenue. Before you do that though, we strongly advise you to read the creator's manual. You can use this button to go to a platform where we can read more guides, receive more information, and get more directions on how to start making money on this website. You could just do it, but I'll show you how to do it quickly in this video. When you click on the dashboard link, you'll be taken to the screen, where you can see your username at the top, how many emojis and icon packs you've previously contributed, and your daily profits as you scroll down. Remember, we're trying to collect a large number of free emojis that we can then post on our website and profit from. So go back to flaticon.com, and yes, flaticon.com is our secret platform of the day, and scroll down to the very bottom of the page to this link, which will take you to a pattern generator. From there, you can download free flat icon software that allows you to create a variety of designs and patterns using various emojis. All you have to do now is click on the Try It Now button, which will take you to the Flat Icon Pattern Generator software's home page. This is a completely free service that you can use on your computer or on your mobile phone or anywhere in the world. You can then move on to step 1, which is searching and locating your preferred icon or emojis. Right now, under the icon section, if you like this icon, simply click on it and it will appear on the dashboard as shown here. You can then drag and drop wherever you want. as well as change its size and rotate it. There are many icons and designs to choose from. Another option is to go to the packs button and look through all of the different emojis and unique images that you can use in your design. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Now we'll go back to emojis and click on them to choose from a range of emojis to use in your design. The procedure can then be repeated as illustrated. You can also select from a number of background colors from your public design beneath the symbol in the background. And if you like this pink design, for example, we can simply click on it and it'll appear on your canvas. It's really simple to do and requires no prior technical knowledge. Once you've finished editing, all you have to do is click this Download Now button right here. Make sure you follow all of the instructions in this video, and after you've settled on a PNG format, I'd like to use 1000 for the power size. Now, I'd like you to use 4000 to 1000 for the image sizes. All you have to do now is click on this button right here to download the patterns after you've chosen the format and size. Now, all I have to do is publish it and begin earning money. Now, I'd want to give you one more tip. Click on the search button right here, as well as the random patterns button right here, and the software will help you create some random patterns that are normally extremely amateurish. So to see the next set of random designs, simply click on this button once again, and it'll turn and display a range of random patterns. Return to the flat icon contributor and click on the My Icons tab when you've completed making your emojis and downloaded them to your phone or computer. You may now drag and drop your file into this box after clicking upload, and it'll be uploaded to this website. As promised, I'm gonna show you a second additional way to make money online by going to Fiverr.com. There are many opportunities available on this website, including graphic design, text, video, and animation. As you can see, there are many ways to make money online, but I want you to focus on graphic design in this video. Now, when I click on this button, it's gonna take me to the art and illustration subcategory. Now, I'd like you to take a look at this pattern design. Because it's a brand new category, it's your chance to make money online with no pressure. Simply click this link to go to this page about pattern designs, where you can see how other sellers from all over the world are already making money by simply producing and generating new designs. As this is a brand new category with limited competition, we can jump right in with my method. For example, if one seller has $30, consider the second seller who asks $40 or $50. Now don't worry, because people here charge and offer prices differently. If you go to this page and click on the seller right here, you'll see that she charges between $95 and $30. Take a look at all these examples of what we can do with a free flat icon software by developing new patterns and making money in the same way over and over again for a service that entails picking numerous pattern designs. What's more surprising is that she has almost no competition. Look at the 400 assignments that have already sold out to see who the top sellers are and how, for example, each project costs around $50, and she has already made around $20,000 on Fiverr by simply designing new patterns, which is, as you can see, is something that you can do yourself using free flat icon software. It's actually quite simple to do this by simply placing the icon in the right place and changing the background color. In reality, it is currently being used by a large number of people, and that's it. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video, which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.